Hey guys, John here from Byrider. Wanted to take a minute and show you a car we have on our lot. This is our 2011 Nissan Cube. Now, cool thing about this car is it's a Cube, which means it has so much interior space. Like, I'm 6 foot, 280 pounds, guys, and I'm like, this is spacious. You get keyless entry, keyless start and stop. Turn it on like that, and this panel right here, super updated. It's got all kinds of really cool stuff on it. It's got navigation, check that out. Radio's on a little loud, let me turn that down. It's got backup camera. And it's just a really nice car. It's got mood lighting in here, all kinds of stuff. And you can alter that and change that and make it fit your needs, what you like. So if you're looking for a vehicle, we have a lot of really great options here at Byrider. Give me a quick call, 920-455-7788. I'd love to help you out and get you in something. If you're interested in the car, we help people every day. Good credit, bad credit, doesn't really matter. We just want to help you out and get you in something that meets your needs. So give me a call or stop in and visit us at location 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. I hope to see you soon. Have a great day.